Good morning. Today is August 22nd, and today's refinishing project is located in Walnut Creek, California. And today we're going to be doing two separate fixtures and two separate bathrooms. So here's the first one. We have this bathtub that's a mess. There were shower doors on here and tracks, and the customer removed those because once it's refinished, they're going to put new tracks and doors on. So let's take a closer look. Yeah, it's really bad. The bathtub is really worn, and of course it's just a mess with all this silicone and everything else. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's go look at the other bathroom. Okay, so in this bathroom we have a shower. We're not doing the walls in this bathroom, we're just doing the pan only. And this pan is a mess as well. Just really bad, stained. So we're going to be fully refinishing this as well. Today we're going to focus on the tub and tile and get that done, and then we're going to come back the following day and do the pan. So we'll follow up once the job is complete. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here's a finish up video of the refinishing job here in Walnut Creek, California. Let's take a look. The surround here. Let's go take a look at the shower pan. There we go. So if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.